So next I'll explain the grid and snap setting, which you can see here. So if I press this, we'll be presented with this panel. So firstly I'll explain the snap angle. So here you can see right now it's off. So if I press this, you'll get this 15 number, which actually means 15-degree snap angle. So yeah, let me just sketch something and I'll just select the sketches. So now if I grab the sketch, you can see my sketches will rotate only on 15-degree angles. Okay, let's take it to the maximum. So 90 is your maximum snap angle. So you can see now it's rotating on 90-degree angles. Okay, so this is the feature of your snap angle. So next let's go to your grip snap grid. Let's erase this. So right now we can see 0.1, right? So 0.1 is a very small number, so let me increase it a bit more, then you can see what it actually is. So maximum is 5. So now you can see there are some grid points around your canvas. Okay, now you can see my right hand controller pointer is getting snapped with these points. That means if you try sketching, you can see my sketches will get snapped with these points, right? So with this you're able to make very precise artworks, and the grid snap can be a very helpful tool if you want to make some very accurate artworks. Like you can see I'm able to make this perfect geometrical shapes. Okay, so this is your snap grid. Actually you have your snap axis. So these tools are a little bit buggy, so I prefer not using them, so you can just avoid this for now. And lastly we have the guides. Okay, so this works along with the guide tool, which you can see here. So let's open this, then we'll take the plane guide. So we'll place it here. Now if I sketch something and select these sketches, so you can see my sketches will get snapped to the guides. Okay, so this is the function of your guide snap. So if you turn it off, now this will not get snapped. Okay, so these two functions are also a bit buggy, so you'll be not using it a lot, so I think you can just avoid this for now. Okay, so these are all the functions of your snap and grid setting. Okay, next we'll discuss the transform tool. So one more here. Okay. So this is your transform panel. Let me just sketch something. Yeah, so here you can see some icons with the locks. Okay, so if I press all this, you can just lock the icon, or you can unlock it. Okay, so this actually means toggle X position lock. For example, if I lock all the axes, now I am not able to move my sketch. You can see, right? It will only rotate in a single space. Okay, now if I unlock the X position, now it will move only along the X axis. Okay, similarly, like if you toggle the Z axis, it will move only along the Z axis. Very simple. Okay, and next is for your rotation. If I turn off all the rotation, your sketch will not rotate. You can see. Okay, now if I toggle the Z rotation lock, it will rotate only on the Z axis. Okay, and lastly we have our align. Let me just put this. Yeah, so when I select my sketches and press the align X, so you can see it's a very slight modification. Your sketches will get aligned in your X axis. Okay, if I press Y, this will be in your Y axis, and this is your Z. Okay, so this tool is also a bit complicated, so you can try and experiment with it. If you keep trying, you will get hands-on experience and be comfortable with it later on. Okay, so these are all your tools for transform, and we're done with our tools panel, brush panel, and also your color picker. Okay, next we'll discuss some more additional features which we have here with the three dots, which is called the more options, and we'll be discussing in some other videos.